Hi, RJ Zoriaga Castor here reporting for Rappler. I'm currently at the port of Siquijor and earlier today, the Philippine Coast Guard resumed all the sea trips from Siquijor to Dumaguete. And if you can see at my back, stranded passengers since Monday have already started lining up for tickets that all are already reducing. So yung available tickets for now is around 4 to 6 p.m. If you can also see inside the ticketing office of the port of Siquijor, passengers have to experience extreme heat because Siquijor has been hit by a power interruption because of Typhoon Tino. Based on the latest update of the Total Power Incorporated, yung bagong power supply provider ng Siquijor, as Wednesday morning, they already completely shut down their power plants due to fuel inventory. The shutdown has been brought by the suspension of all shipping vessels since Monday. Kailangan kasi nila ng fuel galing from Dumaguete to Siquijor, and that has been affected because the trips has been canceled since Monday. Kahapon, nagkaroon sila ng load shedding wherein they're trying to rotate power every 2 hours in all of the municipality of Siquijor.